Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Unlock English Podcast. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Hey, Unlock English family. It is always such a pleasure to see you joining us.
I am Alex.
And I am Julia. We help you speak real, natural English.
Today's topic is how to talk about your daily routine in English.
Yes, people always ask, what does your day look like? I have been waking up half an hour earlier than usual. I do some light stretching.
Half an hour earlier? That is impressive. I usually wake up around 8 o'clock, or 8:15 if I'm honest.
On weekdays, my alarm goes off at 6:45 in the morning.
6:45? That is quite early. Do you get up straight away? My hand automatically reaches for the snooze button.
The snooze button, Alex. That is such a dangerous habit.
I check my phone. I scroll through messages for a few minutes.
I make my bed immediately, before anything else. I brush my teeth first. Absolutely non-negotiable.
I splash cold water on my face. It wakes me up instantly. On days when I have meetings, I wear something smart.
Leggings and a cozy, oversized jumper on the bottom, and something presentable on top for video calls. Green tea, every morning without fail.
I am very much a coffee person, and I have 2 fried eggs on sourdough toast. I take the tram, and the journey takes around 25 minutes.
I take the bus, and the journey takes about 30 minutes, depending on traffic. I usually get there around 8:50 to settle in.
Same here. When I arrive, the first thing I do is go to my desk, take off my jacket, and get my laptop set up. Then I make myself a fresh cup of tea.
Tea at the office, but coffee at home?
I know, it is a contradiction. Something about the office just makes me want tea.
That is funny. I grab a glass of water when I arrive. Staying hydrated first thing in the morning is really important.
Is there anything more overwhelming than opening your inbox in the morning?
It can be a lot. I reply to anything urgent, flag things that need follow-up, and ignore anything that is not important.
That is a really disciplined approach. I tend to get sucked into my inbox.
Yes, every single day, I write out my top tasks for the day in order of priority.
There's nothing quite like crossing something off a list.
My mornings are usually spent on focused, detail-oriented tasks, like reviewing data or writing reports.
Now let's talk about the part of the day that everyone looks forward to, lunchtime.
I always take lunch at 1 o'clock. It splits the afternoon nicely.
I almost always bring lunch from home. I usually pack it the evening before.
I try really hard not to eat at my desk. Your brain needs a genuine break to recharge.
Every single day, that sluggish feeling around 2 o'clock is very real.
I have a cup of peppermint tea after eating. It helps me feel alert and focused.
At 5:30, I shut my laptop, tidy my desk, and head out.
Take my shoes off immediately. My shoes are off before I've even closed the door.
That transformation from work clothes to home clothes is genuinely one of the best feelings.
I put on comfortable house clothes, soft joggers, and a loose top.
I like Mediterranean-style food, pasta with homemade sauces and roasted vegetables.
After dinner, I always wash up the dishes. Then I can truly relax.
I do the same. Leaving dishes overnight just means a less pleasant morning the next day.
Exactly. What do you do in the evenings to unwind?
It varies. I am currently working my way through a really gripping historical drama series.
I try to limit it to 1 or 2 episodes rather than going down a rabbit hole for 3 hours.
I play video games sometimes. We are all on headsets, chatting and laughing while we play.
My favorite thing is reading. I try to read for at least 30 minutes every evening.
I make sure to call or video chat with family and close friends.
I enjoy sketching and occasionally doing some watercolor painting. It is very meditative.
That is wonderful. Do you exercise in the evenings?
I start my bedtime routine around 9:45 or 10 o'clock. I prepare everything for the next morning. I pack my bag and lay out my clothes.
Impressed. You do all of that every single evening? That is genuinely smart.
The blue light suppresses melatonin. Looking at your phone in bed tells your brain it's not time to sleep yet.
A routine is a regular set of actions that you do in the same order.
Wake up means the moment you stop sleeping. Get up means the moment you physically leave your bed.
I wake up at 8, but I don't get up until 8:20.
Commute means to travel regularly between your home and your place of work.
To relax means to let go of stress, to rest mentally and physically.
Go to bed means getting into your bed. Fall asleep means the moment you lose consciousness. If you can use all of those naturally, you'll sound confident and fluent.
All right, everyone. Let us do a quick summary of everything we covered in today's lesson.
Yes, we covered a lot of ground. Waking up, morning stretches, and the snooze button debate.
A very heated debate. Then we went into the bathroom routine, brushing teeth and showering.
Then we talked about getting dressed and choosing what to wear depending on the day.
Followed by breakfast, the great coffee versus tea divide.
Then lunchtime and the importance of actually taking a real break.
Then the evening, coming home, cooking dinner, and genuinely relaxing.
And finally, the bedtime routine, preparing for the next morning and falling asleep.
The question of the day: what is one habit you want to start or improve in your daily routine?
Maybe you want to swap late-night phone scrolling for reading.
Writing in the comments is brilliant English practice, so it's a double win.
We hope you feel much more confident about how to talk about your daily routine.
The key to improving your English is consistent practice.
You are making progress every single day, even when it doesn't feel like it.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Take care, everyone.
Goodbye for now.